You can improve the performance of your Android emulator in just 4 simple steps, and the third step is so effective that it can boost your entire PC. I'm not joking about this. There's proof in the comments from users who have tried these steps. All the steps I'll be sharing are almost guaranteed to work on almost every PC. The most exciting part is that if you watch the entire video, you'll also get a bonus tip that is highly effective. So, let's start the video.
Let's roll.
In the first step, we will disable all unnecessary background processes and apps. Simply, you need to come down to the taskbar, right-click, and go to the Task Manager. After that, you need to go to the Processes tab, and here you have to disable all unnecessary processes. Now, whenever you use an Android emulator, you must follow this step, as it will make a significant difference in the performance of your Android emulator. In the next step, we will maximize the CPU cores and physical memory of our PC. For this, you need to go to the Start menu, type misconfig, and then press Enter. After that, go to the Boot tab. Then choose the Advanced tab. Next, you have to maximize the CPU cores and physical memory here. After making these adjustments, save the settings and restart your PC. In the next step, we will use a software called Advanced System Care. By using this software, you can solve your system problems with just one click. This software also features an AI mode that can detect deep-seated PC problems. If you use this software, you will definitely see improvements in performance. If you want to watch a detailed video about this software, click on the video with the button icon above. Now, let's move on to our next and final step. Usually, when our system drivers become outdated, they can significantly slow down the system, especially when gaming, causing noticeable lag. That's why today, we will update all our system drivers with just one click. Normally, when I manually check for driver updates, I find all drivers up to date. However, when I use Driver Booster, I found more than 30 outdated drivers. Therefore, it is very helpful, and you should also use this tool. If you want to watch a detailed video on this tool, click on the I button above. As I promised at the beginning that I will also give you a bonus tip. So let's talk about the bonus tip. Now, this tip may not be extremely effective. Simply go to the Start menu and search for power options. Then, select High Performance here. So, friends, these were the 5 tips that you can follow to fix lag in your Android emulator. And if you want to see detailed tutorials on Advanced System Care or Driver Booster, click on the videos appearing on the screen, and I'll meet you there. Bye.